Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To celebrate the spooky season today, I am making a Halloween pumpkin cat rug. Obviously procrastinating as per usual. We are getting it out on Halloween. I think that still counts, okay? I already went ahead and got this up on the board, so I will throw in a cute little montage of me doing all that right now. And without further ado, we are going to jump right into getting this tufted. Just like that, the first orange color is done. I'm gonna take you around here to show you what she's looking like. She is so cute. I love a quick and easy rug. I'm gonna fill in the orange and the eyes and we'll get right into backing this beauty. Woo! Oh, this part's gonna look so cute. And just like that, we are on to our final color, our last step. I think this actually might be the easiest tufting project I've ever given myself. I don't think I've ever completed something so fast. This is so nice. I want to see what that looks like. Ah! It's gonna be so cute. This lighting is not giving, but it is incredible. It is incredible. We're just gonna get her done. Oh my goodness. And just like that, he's done. He needs a name. We have to name him. Greg? No, Frey. We'll work on that. And now that our fresh board is done, there is nothing left but to get this all glued up. For this process, I like to use this tacky glue. I get it from Michael's. It gives like Elmer's school glue, but better. Like the Gucci version of Elmer's glue. Okay, we're just gonna, it's glue, and it works. And this is the one I use. Let's do it. This glue is really not doing it the way I wanted. So scratch everything I said. Don't use this glue. We're gonna come back tomorrow when I'm gonna go pick up the usual glue that I use for this. Scratch that. This sucks. This is really good for like the little stuff and doing the edges, but not for backing. We have learned the lesson. Okay, goodbye. We are back and we have the proper glue. We will actually be using this Ultra Bond 420. 420, blaze it. Sorry, I am immature. We're actually gonna be using this glue. This is what I usually use for my rugs. I don't know what I was thinking, but we're just gonna stick to Old Reliable. And let's actually do this. We are all done. That went so much better than trying the other glue. I'm now gonna let this sit for about 24 hours. It doesn't have to be that long, but I work in the morning, so it's gonna work. We're gonna come back tomorrow and let these harden up, and then we will get into the backing process. I love how this is coming along. Everything is dry. It is sticky. It has been 24 hours. We are now gonna cut it out, and I'm just going to leave a good amount of overhang of the monk cloth so I can fold it over in the backing process. We will get there. Step one, cut it out. So we now have it all cut out and dried and ready to go, and we're going to start with bending over all of the edges. To do that, all I do is I take some scissors and I start creating some slits in the fabric, like this. And then I simply just bend, just like so. And I'm just repeating this all the way around, creating little slits and bending it right over. And you want to really pull in the fabric. As you can see, it kind of creates this waterfall edge. We have folded in all of the edges, and that is how she is looking. I'm obsessed. Okay. The next step is putting on the backing. I'm just using some cheap felt from the dollar store because I just plan on putting this on my wall. And I'm cheap. Obviously, if you're putting this on the floor, you're gonna want something a little less slippy. So I would do an actual rug backing. We're going with the cheap option. And we're also using a piece that I'm gonna have to cut up as it doesn't fully fit like this. But again, we're cheap, so we're using the material that we have. For this part, you are gonna need your backing and a hot glue gun and a bunch of hot glue stick, because it takes a lot. It takes a lot. You're gonna take your rug backing, cover the whole rug. You're now going to take your hot glue gun. Right between where you bent the cloth over and where your yarn begins is where you're going to do a line, and then just bending that in, pressing down, and doing that all the way around. I am now just going to take some scissors and I'm just gonna start trimming the edge nice and close, right up to where we bent the glue on. Slowly cut the backing out. And that is what it has looked like all cut out. Ah! We are in position. We are ready to shave this guy down. Step one, we are just going to shear over the whole thing so it is level surface. Now that we have shaved a good base layer, we are now going to be separating these colors and lines to make it really pop. So to do that, I'm taking my shears at an angle and I'm going across one color, turning on the other side towards the other color. And what we're trying to do is create a divide between the two colors so it looks super crisp. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the before and after of that eyeball? And just like that, we're all done shaving her up. Look how much better she looks. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this giant mess that is all around me, and then I will get right into the final steps of finishing our rug off. So as you can see, our lines are looking extra crispy, but our edges are not. So for the final step, I just like to take some good scissors. These are horrible scissors. As I was saying, I just like to take my scissors and we just clean up the edge. We are officially done our Halloween rug. Look how cute. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. The detail, little pumpkin cat? Yeah, I think so. This was a very fun little Halloween project. I hope you are having a great Halloween and get up to all sorts of mischief tonight, okay? Okay, from me and Kat. Up to no good, promise me. But yeah, there we have our cute little Halloween rug, which will now be displayed in my house every Halloween. We love her. Thank you guys so much for getting this far in this video. I'm currently in the works of rug pillow, and I'm finally gonna finish that Powerpuff Girls rug. So stay tuned. Follow below. I also have tons of Halloween videos over the last 2 weeks that I filmed, so go check those out. And until next time, peace!